Hello, welcome to Glad Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Epay USD withdrawal method. The first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop live app. The next thing is to click on the image icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the 3-point option. So right here on my 3-point option new screen, I just have to click on cash out. Click on withdrawal option. So you're going to see currency type and payment method. Select currency type. You're going to see the second option which says Epay USD withdraw. Just click on it. Now click on payment method. Select the percentage fee. Just click on it. Now you're going to see space for you to type in your Epay account and also confirm that same Epay account. When done, you're going to see the option to withdraw as far as you have enough USD on your device, and automatically you'll be able to withdraw your USD from your Lollipop live app to your Epay account. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do what to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.